Hey y'all. So we're gonna use this fun 21 inch. Y'all, we're gonna use this vinyl decal. We're gonna start with 21 inch and we're gonna add 10-inch poofs all the way around the top. All right, so that edge right there is the only edge that isn't sealed. So we're gonna turn it over, and then on the outside edge, we're gonna turn those in just a little bit. Then we're gonna just scrunch it up. Y'all, by turning in those outside edges, it's gonna naturally make it want to curl in, so we get that really good poof going. Let's go. 10-inch poofs, what we want. Nice and tight. Lisa, this is a 15-inch frame. Let's trim this off. All right. So I only put the mesh on the top, not on the bottom. Now we're gonna get our 10-inch, and we're gonna start with 10 30-inch pieces, so 5 of each color. Now we're gonna do 8 pieces, about 20 inches. All right, so now we're gonna take our 30-inch pieces. So we wanna make sure that we curl those cut edges in. One, 2 times, then scrunch it right down the middle. Now you won't see any of that crazy fraying because it's all hidden. All right, we're just going to rotate between the two. All right, curl those edges, ruffle it up. All right, now we're gonna take our 20-inch pieces, do the same thing, but we're gonna add it on top of this white. So curl those ends in, give it a good ruffle. All right, our base is done, nice and full. All right, I'm gonna take some gel super glue, put 4 little dots on here. Y'all, less is more when it comes to super glue. All right, gonna let that glue dry. So we're gonna start with this one. We're gonna give ourselves a good 12-inch long tail. How to keep your rods in the bow maker? Just hammer them in. All right, we're gonna go about 7.5 inches out. get our black and white in there. This is a good stiff ribbon. You've been watching me on YouTube all day. All right, we're gonna use this pink right in the center. Grab a 20-inch pipe cleaner, fold that in half. With it nice and pinched, give it a good twist. All right. We got our good little bow going. Let's get our sign added. All right, we're gonna add this little cute dancing penguin. So all we're doing is wrapping that pipe cleaner right around the frame. Now we're going to take our bow and add it. So we added our sign down here. We're going to add our bow up here with our long tails going down the side. Get that nice and attached. Now we're going to add our tails all the way around the bottom. We're going to need 5 of each. So our tails are 13 inches. Right now we're just cutting them around the bottom, so we need 20 total. All right. So now we're going to just take 2 of our 13-inch tails. We're going to fold them in half. Give it a good pinch. If your ribbon isn't perky, throw it away. Give it a good pinch. And then add one of these into each one of your twist ties around the outside. Once it's in there, you're just gonna separate it. And we're gonna work our way all the way around, alternating the colors. So all we're doing is making that fun X all the way around the outside. Let's trim up the tails on our bow. All right, now that we've got our bow tails trimmed, now we can see where we have a little spot right here and some spots right here that need a little bit of attention. So we need to cut 3 more sets of tails. Let's just do 4. Let's start at the top. Y'all, have you checked out all the new supplies on decoexchange.com? We've got a ton of wreath signs, mesh, wreath frames, ribbon. All right, let's check it out. She's done looking cute.